In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm everything is set correctly. First, make sure you're already signed into your Skool account. You need to be logged in to update your email. Before you start, have the new email address ready and ensure you can access its inbox, since you'll need to verify it. Also, you'll be asked for your current Skool password as part of a quick security check, so make sure you know it. From your Skool dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. A small menu will appear. Choose Settings from that menu to open your account's settings page. On the settings page, you'll see a left sidebar with different sections. Click on Account, sometimes labeled Account Settings. This is where Skool keeps your core profile and login information. Inside Account, look for the button or link that says Change Email. This is the dedicated option for updating the email you use to sign in to Skool. Changing this will update the login email tied to your account, and it may also affect where Skool sends important notifications. When you click Change Email, Skool will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current Skool password. This step protects your account, making sure it's really you making the change. Next, enter the new email address you want associated with your account. Type it carefully to avoid typos, since you'll need to receive a message there. This address won't be shared publicly by Skool. It's used for login and account communications. To confirm the change, Skool will send a verification code to the new email. Keep your settings page open, then open your new email inbox in another tab or app. Look for the message from Skool with your code. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. Return to Skool, enter the code exactly as shown, and submit. If the code expires, you can request a new one and try again. Once the code is accepted, your email change is complete. You might be asked to sign in again, now using the new email. You can always return to the account section to confirm the update was saved. That's it. Sign in, go to Settings, open Account, click Change Email, verify with your password, enter the new address, and confirm with the code. Follow these steps and you'll update your Skool email in just a few minutes.